Howdy y'all, I have a decent amount of Walkman that needs some repair. Some of these need new belts, while other ones just kind of need to be cleaned a little bit. And if I want to show these off on camera, I'm going to need to have some music that won't get me copyright struck. So I'm going to prepare for that by recording myself a tape. Now this won't be the most high quality way to get music on one of these, but really I just need something on here that I can play on these when I'm working on them. So I'm just going to use this cheap cassette recorder and one of my laptops. Alright, I'm going to need a cable for this. Okay, this cable's way longer than it needs to be, but it's a good quality one, so I like using it. I'm going to take one end of the aux cable and plug it into the headphone jack on the laptop, and take the other end and plug it into the mic slot. So I'm going to test to see if I can have music just play out of VLC and go directly to this thing. This is only a 32-minute playlist, and this is a 90-minute tape, so it's not going to fill up the entire thing, but I really only need a little bit of music to be able to play on it. I'm going to put this in airplane mode and probably do not disturb so I don't get any notification sounds going through the laptop while it's working on this. I'll also plug it in for power. This thing is powered by 4 C batteries. I wish I had the AC adapter for this one, but I don't, so just going to have to go off those for now. Well, let's unwrap this and give it the first attempt. Let's give it a go. Well, I guess now I need to come back in half an hour and we'll see if it worked. Okay, looks like that's done, so let's just get a general idea of how that sounds. Okay, it doesn't sound the best, but I'm gonna try one more time with this. I'm gonna flip it over to the B side and actually put the volume down on this a little bit. Okay, on the B side. And I've lowered the volume on the laptop itself to 75%, so let's see if that sounds a little bit better. Okay, cool, that's done, so yeah, let's hear if this one sounds any better. Actually, yeah, I do think that sounds better. I'll do a comparison real quick. For that, I'm just gonna plug these MDR 7506s into this Walkman and kind of just put this on the mic. Yeah, so the 75% one does sound a little bit better than 100%. It's a little bit different, not too much, but I like the sound of 75 more. So yeah, it might not be the best way to get music on one of these, but it's definitely a way. If you have your own way of getting music on cassettes, let me know in the comments, because I'm always looking for new ways to play around with these old formats. But that's going to be it for now. So long, y'all.